Everybody, welcome to Classic Chevy Revival. I'm your host Kevin, and today we're going to talk about the trunk lock. What do you do if, number one, you never got a key for the trunk? That was my case. Number two, you lock your keys in the trunk, something like that. How do you get your trunk open? That's what we're talking about today on Classic Chevy Revival. Some people tell me, and I've read also, that there were either one key or there were two keys issued when these cars were new. I don't know either way, but when I bought this car, I only had one key and I had no clue what was in the trunk. So when I got it home, I had a couple of different choices. I could call a locksmith, but the price they were asking, I was able to buy a trunk lock, and what came with it as well was the glove box lock for the car for about half the price that a locksmith was going to charge me. Or I could go through the back seat, which is what I did. You know, I'm kind of a Sasquatch, but I made it through the back seat without too much claustrophobia. We got in there and were able to unlock the lock from the inside and pop the trunk open. It can be done. Also, other options, you can drill it out, which I know some people do. Windy today. Also, I've even heard of people using a slide hammer. Now, I don't know if I'd want to use a slide hammer. All the damage you're probably going to do to the area around the lock, then you're going to have to fix that, or either that or buy a whole new trunk lid. Who knows, you know? So, but like I said, I went through the back seat, and that's what we're going to do today. We're going to simulate that I don't have a key, or I lost the key, or I locked it in the trunk. And that's what we're up to today on Classic Chevy Revival. Stick with us. Alright, we're going to take the seats out. In my opinion, they're easier to take out than they are to put back. So basically you just got to push them in and pick them up and they pop out, which I've already done. So we'll take these seats out. Okay, that's the bottom. The back, you just pick up and unlatch from the car. And then they easily come out, of course. There we go. Whoops. Now, once you take these out, if you've never had your seats out, originally there was a piece of cardboard that covers the trunk entrance. So someone had this out long before me, because there is no cardboard in mine. All right, so we're in the trunk. I saved you guys the image of me crawling through here, but basically, to get through there, I just put my arms in first, and then just kind of wiggle my way in. So, but here is the lock that we want to change out. It's very easy. If I can. Yeah, I hope you can see that. That little clip, that gold clip right there, is what we're going to pull off. And that'll allow us to push basically the lock out. And then we can take this arm right here off and put a screwdriver in there and turn the lock and it will open. So let's get that clip off of there, and you don't want to drop it down in there. That's how easy it comes off, just like that. Ask me how I know how easy it is to drop out of there. Really wasn't that hard to get it out. Okay, there goes the lock. I hope it fell outside and not in. So then we can reach in here and pull this out, just like that. They say you can turn this arm to get it to work, but I've never been able to do that. So screwdriver is going to go right in here. And I can't quite see what I'm trying to do here. And there we have it. And then you're out. And that's all there is to that. And then you put your new lock in, you're good to go. So, well, I'm going to climb out the easy way and put the lock back in. Revive your classic Chevy with paintscratch.com. Hey everybody, this is Kevin from Classic Chevy Revival, and as the leading provider of professional grade automotive paint, they offer over 100,000 custom colors. With over 50 years of experience, their family-owned business guarantees a perfect match for your vehicle's original color. From touch-up paints to full restorations, trust paintscratch.com for quality and precision. Visit our website, ClassicChevyRevival.com, and click the link to revive the beauty of your Tri-5 Chevy with paintscratch.com today. Okay, so now you want to put the, say you got a new lock and you want to put that back in. Pretty easy to do, just kind of got to line things up. This arm, I hook it to the lock, that little piece down there. That'll sit in there, and you got to put it all back into the trunk lid, all in one piece. And this end, of course, was the part that was sticking out. And I forget what they call this arm. I used to know, but I don't remember. Well, anyway, this just goes in there. And of course, I dropped it 100 times doing it one-handed. So we'll try it again here. All right, so we hook it like that, okay? And it also helps line the lock up, which way it's going to go in the hole, okay? And you just kind of got to get it aimed into that piece there where it goes. This is kind of tough doing it one-handed. There we go. My dog is barking. This little washer, rubber O-ring here. Got to get that on there. So, all right. So that's on there. We got to get the clip on now. Right there. Let's see here. I'm going to give it a try. You can kind of see down through the hole there. That helps. Just slide it on there. All right, so there you have it. Not too tough, really. Hardest part probably is getting the seats out, you know, and getting my girlish figure into the trunk through the space back there, and also getting the clip on. Not too tough, but it, you know, you can do it. So anyway, I want to thank everybody for watching our channel, and hope you like and subscribe to Classic Chevy Revival. Really appreciate everybody that watches and comments. So like I said before, if you know or have any way I can find if there were one key or two keys when these cars were sent out of the factory, leave comments down below. And I love reading your comments, good and bad, you know. So anyway, until next time, be sure to drive and revive.